May 29, 2021 marked the second anniversary of the second term of the President Muhammadu Buhari administration. To mark this anniversary, we have decided to once again change our strategy. Since 2016, we have heralded every anniversary as well as every end of year by giving massive publicity to the achievements of the administration. We have leveraged our town hall meetings, 18 of which we have held up to date, to showcase the achievements of this administration. We've also undertaken media tours of federal government projects covering many sectors across the country. In the run-up to the 2019 general elections, we introduced a novel idea when we launched our testimony series, under which we showcase the administration's achievements from the perspective and prism of Nigerians who have benefited from the various government projects and programs, ranging from infrastructure to school feeding system. The testimony series was so successful that it rattled the opposition into issuing a statement calling for a probe of the funds spent on it. However, in spite of our best efforts, the naysayers have continued to say they have not seen what this government has achieved. They have continued to deny the obvious by pretending that these achievements are not real, even when they have traveled on the new standard gauge rail from Abuja to Kaduna, Lagos-Ibadan, or Apapa-Oworonsoki. They still deny that any progress has been made in modernizing the country's infrastructure. They travel through the ultra-modern airport terminals in Abuja, Enugu, and Port Harcourt, yet they deny any progress has been made in modernizing our airports. This year, 2021, which marks the halfway point of the second and final term of the Muhammadu Buhari administration, we have decided to once again change our style for more effectiveness. Our new strategy is to suffuse the airwaves and the social media with unmistakable video evidence of the various achievements, to such an extent that even the blind be able to see and the deaf be able to hear. Let me list some of these projects. Please note that while work has been completed on many of the projects, work is still ongoing on others. Some of the projects include the Lagos-Ibadan expressway, the Apapa-Oworonsoki expressway, the Enugu-Port Harcourt dualization, the Abuja-Abaji-Lokoja dualization, the Abuja-Kaduna Zaria expressway, the Kano-Maiduguri expressway dualization, the Suleja-Mina highway, the Miliken Hill-Ngwo, and the Boni-Bodo road, the second Niger bridge, the Loko-Oweto bridge, the Zungeru hydroelectric dam, the Goroyo dam, the airport upgrades in Abuja, Lagos, Enugu, and Port Harcourt, agriculture, in particular rice and chicken farming, among others, Apapa standard gauge line, the Abuja-Abaji-Lokoja standard gauge line, the Itape-Ajaokuta-Alaja-Sara gauge line, the Ajaokuta-Kaduna natural gas pipeline, the Onitsha and Lekki deep water ports. It includes the fight against COVID-19, the digital switchover in broadcasting, the 1,000 villages Star Times project, the Federal Housing Authority housing projects in Ajoda, New Town, Oyo State, Federal Housing Authority mass housing projects in Kwali, the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority projects such as the Umaya Diagnostic Center, the Aminu Kano Teaching Hospital Diagnostic Center, and the Oncology Center in Lasut. The acquisition and upgrade of military platforms are not left out either. Gentlemen, this list is by no means exhaustive, as you will see when the documentary is described. It is the most comprehensive project yet to showcase the achievements of this administration. Let me repeat what I've said many times in the past. Never in the history of our country has any administration done so much with so little. It's easy to forget now, but when this government came into office in 2015, the price of crude oil, which accounts for 80% of Nigeria's budgetary revenues and 95% of its foreign exchange earnings, dropped drastically, and along with it, the funds available to government. It is therefore monumental that this government has achieved so much despite the paucity of funds. I want to state emphatically that while more attention has been given, especially in recent times, to the security challenges facing our country, those challenges are fleeting and will not define the legacy of President Muhammadu Buhari. Let me say that President Muhammadu Buhari's legacy is assured and will be defined by his massive achievements in office. The roads, the rails, the bridges, the mass housing, the port development, the improvement in power supply, and other massive infrastructure development will last for generations to come. Will help propel economic growth and national development.